How to translate voice message in WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to translate voice message in WhatsApp. So first thing, just head over to your WhatsApp application, and once you're inside here, just make sure you have successfully logged into your account, and just click on this three dot icon at the top right corner first, and just head over to your settings. So once you're inside your settings, scroll down and click on this chat section. So once you're inside the chat sections and scroll down, you shall see the voice message transcript option right over here under chat settings. So simply tap on that. Now you can basically choose in which language you want to translate or transcribe your particular voice message from your chat. So from over here, just tap on this choose language, and you can choose between any of the language just like this. And you actually have to set up if you are doing this for the first time, and simply click on setup now, and slowly start your setup just like this by simply downloading the additional feature onto your WhatsApp. So once you do all of that, just head back to your any of your group chat or your personal chat, and simply try to listen or just long press on that particular voice chat and just click on this three dot icon at the top right corner. And you should show something like this. There is a transcribe, so just tap on that button, and your particular voice set will be translated into the selected language and displayed as the text below the voice message. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.